Hello and welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to be talking about equivalent ratios and proportions. So equivalent ratios means two numbers in comparison that are equal to each other, and a proportion is an equation which means equal signs in the middle, like 1/2 is equal to 3/6 or 1 to 2 is equal to 3 to 6, which states two ratios are equivalent. Alright, so we're going to be finding lots of unknowns in our proportions. This is very similar to finding a missing numerator or missing denominator in a fraction question. All right, so 5 to 6 is the same as something to 18. All right, so we know 5 to 6, I'm going to write it as a proportion, so I need to keep that. So 6 to 18, the relationship between those using a multiplication or division, I'm going to multiply by 3 to go from here to here. So I'm going to do the same to the top, 5 times 3, to get me to my missing. 5 times 3 is 15. So 15/18ths, and 15 was my missing number. So those should be equivalent, 6 times 3, 5 times 3, because they're proportions. All right, it might also be written in other forms. 2 to 3 is the same as something to 9. Okay, it gets a little bit more confusing because we have to think about these as first term and second term. So it's 3 and 9 that are being compared, and 2 and the unknown. So go from 3 to 9, I multiply by 3. So I'm going to have to do the same to the top, 2 times 3. So 2 to 3 is the same as 2 times 3 is 6, 6 to 9, with 6 being my unknown. Might also use the word 2. It's a little bit less common, but we might see as 1 to 4 is the same as 3 to something. Okay, so it's 1 to 3 is what we're comparing, and 4 to the unknown. Alright, to go from 1 to 3, I multiplied by 3. So that would be 4 times 3. So 1 to 4 is the same as 3 to multiply by 3, 3 to 12, my 12 being unknown. So for each of those, we went through and we said what's the comparison that we know, and went through and went like that. We might also have something like where it's in the first proportion, first ratio, that we have the missing, in which case we still think about what's the relation using multiplication and division for going 12 to 4. Well, I could think of it going this direction, it's a division of 3. Or if I wanted to think about going the other way, 4 times 3 is 12. It might help me to think about that as well. So 4 divided by 3 is 12, or 4 times 3, so I'm going to multiply by 3 to go this direction. So if that was going the other way, 1 times 3 is 3, 3/12 is equal to 1/4. In a case like this, I could also reorder 1/4, which makes it in the second term, which makes it a little bit easier as well to think of it that way. Times 3 times 3. With or equal, we can flip them back and forth like that. And where's my missing term in both cases? Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional notes and assignments.